The dark side of online payment application. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the darker side of online payments. Today we are going to talk about UPI, Unified Payments Interface, one of the most popular payment systems in India. We will be discussing how UPI earns money and how their recent changes in rule and regulations have impacted the people. 1. How UPI earns money. UPI has revolutionized the payment industry in India, making it easier for people to transfer money online. However, behind the convenience of UPI lies a complex system of fees and charges that most people are not aware of. UPI earns money in several ways, including 2. Interchange fees. UPI charges a small fee from the merchant's bank for every transaction processed through their platform. This fee is known as the interchange fee, and it is usually a percentage of the transaction amount. 3. Payment gateway charges. UPI also charges payment gateway fees from merchants who use their platform to accept payments. Payment gateway charges vary from app to app and may depend on the transaction volume. 4. Advertising. Some UPI apps also generate revenue through advertising. They display ads on their platform, and businesses pay for the placement of these ads. 5. Merchant discount rates. UPI may also charge a small percentage of the transaction amount as a merchant discount rate, MDR, from merchants. This rate is usually lower than the interchange fee and is charged to cover the cost of providing the payment service. 6. Value-added services. UPI may offer value-added services like insurance, investment, and loans to users, for which they charge a fee. These charges are often hidden from the users, and they end up paying more than they realize. 7. Changes in UPI's rules and regulations. UPI has recently made some changes to its rules and regulations, which have not gone down well with the people. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of a new cap on the number of transactions that can be made in a day. The new rule states that a user can only make up to 10 transactions per day, and any additional transactions will be declined. This has caused inconvenience for people who need to make more than 10 transactions in a day. Another change that has caused concern is the new policy that requires users to link their UPI accounts with their Aadhaar card. This policy has raised privacy concerns, and people fear that their personal information may be misused. Additionally, UPI has also increased its merchant discount rate, which means that merchants will have to pay more to use the UPI platform. This has led to an increase in the prices of goods and services, which has directly impacted the consumers. 8. Conclusion. In conclusion, while UPI has made online payments convenient and accessible, it is important to understand the fees and charges that are hidden behind the convenience. Additionally, the recent changes in UPI's rules and regulations have caused inconvenience and raised concerns about privacy and transparency. As users, it is crucial to stay informed about these changes and voice our concerns to ensure that online payment systems are fair and transparent. Thank you for watching.